Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is September the 3rd, 2018, and we're down here in the pepper patch and been harvesting some peppers here. This is one of the big Bertha bell peppers here, and this is one of the big red bell peppers here. The big red bell peppers, I really like them. They're really blocky and they have a lot of meat to them. The big Bertha peppers really have a nice size to them. Because we're in September, we're letting our peppers start to turn. We're in Pennsylvania, so want to make sure that they turn for us before the frost hits. The pepper plants are loaded with bloom still, so if we get a longer summer or a long fall without a frost, they should continue to keep coming for us. Now, one thing you do want to remember with your pepper plants and your peppers is if a frost is going to be coming, you'll want to get your peppers off before the frost hits, even if they're green. So just wanted to show you this here. These are the hot peppers here. These are the hot cayennes, and they're very prolific plants. They really have a lot of spice to the peppers, so definitely make sure that you keep it separate from your sweet peppers. And you want to make sure, like when you're picking them, for me, it does burn my fingers and my hands to pick the hot peppers, so that's something you want to keep in mind. And another thing, like if you touch your eyes or something, it could make them start burning from just the heat of the pepper itself. So I'll show you some of the other peppers that we harvested, so we'll be back. So these are the cayenne peppers that we got off here, and these are some of the sweet peppers here. These are the little mini peppers. I really like these for in your salads or like on your pizza or just to eat the whole thing whole and raw. And we have some other ones in here. We've been picking peppers off, and see, here's a close up. This is one of the big Berthas here. So I actually did a playlist on the peppers of how I started them from seed. You can check that out on my channel, and it shows you how I started them from seed, what I fed them, when I transplanted them, when they were transplanted outside, and you can watch the whole growing process of the peppers and the pepper plants. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!